Okay, guys, so I found this web hosting company called Accu Web Hosting, and I saw it as a really interesting web hosting company, and I'll tell you why. Currently, they are running a Black Friday deal that will end on the 30th of November 2020. So, what I found interesting on this website is the fact that when you scroll down to the WordPress business hosting here, you will see that they run Lightspeed web servers and pure SSD storage. So guys, if you're familiar with Lightspeed technologies, it is far way better than the Apache web server. And this Lightspeed technology is something that many big web hosting companies like Kingstar run, and most web hosting companies with this technology are really very expensive because they produce faster load times for the websites hosted on them. And some of these websites that run Lightspeed technology are not less than $30 per month, but Accu Web Hosting runs this at $3 per month. That is 1/10 of what Kingstar Web Hosting Company takes. So let us explore this WordPress business hosting plan. So guys, you can see here their Lightspeed web server loads 7 times faster than the Apache server, and combined with the pure SSD storage, this means that this website will definitely produce insanely fast website. Combined with the Cloud Linux, which is also a feature that adds to the speed and security of your website. And this is a budget web hosting company, and I think is great for any business startup. The Linux WordPress hosting has 3 plans under it: the personal web hosting, small business web hosting, and enterprise web hosting. So even with the personal web hosting, you can host unlimited websites using just one hosting account, and it provides 10 gigabytes of pure SSD storage, which is great for many startups. There are web hosting companies that provide just 2 gigabytes of storage, and many other web hosting companies don't even run the SSD storage. Many of them still use the HDD storage, which is far slower than the SSD storage. All right, so the 500 gigabytes of monthly bandwidth can handle up to 250,000 monthly visits per month, which is large enough for many websites. You can have up to 150 email accounts, and it provides free SSL certificates for all the websites you host under this one hosting account. And here is the control panel. It uses the cPanel feature, which is very popular amongst many web hosting companies. Let's see the demo. Alright, so this is the control panel demo, and we'll go for the most popular one, which is the cPanel. And here it is, guys. I'm going to click on it, and here is the cPanel login page. I'm going to log in now, and we have the option of choosing a language, German or English. I'm going to choose English. Alright, so guys, this is the cPanel of the Accu web hosting, and under here, if you're familiar with the cPanel structure, you will see that this is where you will manage your website files. This is the databases. This is where you control your domain name servers. This is where you create email accounts for us. Business email accounts, the type that have admin@yourwebsite.com. Okay, so this is where you can access the metrics of the visitors or people that come to your website. This is the section that handles SSL certificate installation. So these are the software section. And here under settings, you have the password and your personal settings. And then under applications, you have the WordPress manager. So guys, mostly if you are creating a website in WordPress, you would want to come here under applications and go click on the WordPress icon, and that will definitely launch WordPress for you. So, but this is a demo account, and I only want to give you a walkthrough of how the cPanel of the Accu web hosting looks. It's pretty much the same structure with any cPanel out there. All right, so guys, so after the cPanel, we've seen the demo. We have that the Lightspeed with LS Cache plugin. So guys, if you want your website to be blazingly fast, this is a technology to use, and they run Lightspeed web servers. And then they also have the LS Cache plugin, which works closely with every hosting company running the Lightspeed web server. And installing this plugin on your WordPress website will definitely accelerate the speed of your website. All right, so I think this should be the major selling point of this web hosting company. And also they offer free website migration. So guys, if you love this web hosting company, you can migrate to it for free at no additional cost to you. And there is an add-on if you want a dedicated IP for your website. Is an add-on. You can skip it if you want. And websites hosted on this web hosting company works on Windows, Mac, Linux operating systems. It has unlimited MySQL databases, runs the popular PHP, and it also offers domain name registration. But with this particular personal web hosting plan, you would need to register a domain name. It's not a free feature here, but is actually a free feature from the small business web hosting to the enterprise web hosting. But for this one, you will need to get your domain registered, and then it has a free website builder, but not really very necessary for people who are already going to run a WordPress website. All right, so we have the instant account activation here, and then you have the 30 days money back guarantee. So guys, you really have nothing to lose by hosting with this web hosting company. And the billing cycle is, we have 3-year plans, 2 years plan, 1 year plan, and 6-month plan. Okay, so you can choose to pay every 6 months or every year or every 2 or 3 years. All right, so comparing the personal web hosting with the small business web hosting, I think where we have slight increase is in the size of the SSD storage, and the bandwidth, email account, and then it offers free domain name registration, and every other thing is pretty much the same. The enterprise web hosting plan offers 1 terabyte of bandwidth, which is very great for large businesses or company websites. Okay, so guys, this is what I have for you. I think this web hosting company is awesome considering the technologies they are offering, and at a very affordable price for that matter. So I think they are definitely worth trying out. And I'll be leaving a link to this web hosting company in the description of this video so that you can check them out. And hey, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. I share tips, tools, tutorials on everything related to blogging and web design. Thanks for watching, and see you in another video.